Spring is the time for DIY projects, something you can truly do for yourself. And do it yourself is to get educated on your family's budget during April, which is Financial Literacy Month. Brian Decker with Decker Retirement Planning has some advice for those looking to educate themselves about their money.
Debt is like trying to swim the English Channel with bowling balls attached to your ankles. It really is tough.
All right, how's that for a visual? Yeah, swim with bowling balls attached to your ankles. Now, what drags down your plans for the future, threatening to drown you in debt, is the interest. You can't escape it. Interest itself, though, doesn't have to be a bad thing.
Compound interest can be your best friend when you're saving and investing properly, but compound interest can be your worst enemy at 15% credit card debt levels.
Yeah, it's because those darn credit cards never go away, those balances, so you have to use interest to your advantage to build wealth. Brian also told me that a budget isn't enough. It just means that it's the means to an end. A larger financial plan and those long-term goals, that's what you really want. Now, the good news with the stimulus is that more people are saving the money that they're getting. They're paying off debt. They're making sure that they're getting on a good financial footing, too. So if you go to DeckerRetirementPlanning.com, there's kind of a cool financial quiz there that'll make you feel good or make you feel bad, depending on how much you think you know about finances, too. Yeah. The 5 questions you will answer will let you know how prepared you are to actually craft a budget and then get those long-term plans in place with goals to help you better prepare for the future. So the bottom line, guys, is if you don't have your debt under control, you're limiting your options for short and long-term goals because those payments don't go away. The interest does not stop growing. That's what the credit card companies are banking on, literally banking on the fact that you're not going to pay it off. So work on paying that off, and then you can work on those goals.